Classifications of ledger accounts. Ledger, meaning a book containing all accounts of a business enterprise is known as ledger, and transferring transactions from the books of original entries to their respective ledger accounts is known as posting. Ledger serves as the main book for an effective and result-oriented accounting system. For recording various transactions of a business enterprise, a ledger contains different accounts showing the impact of the business transactions occurred during an accounting period. It is a collection of all accounts debited or credited in the book of original entry, viz., subsidiary books and proper journal. Ledger and its classification. There are different types of accounts. Each of them is prepared differently. They are found in main nominal ledger and supports different features. The 5 types of accounts are 1. Assets. These accounts show you debit balance and they are created due to assets which can retain their value. 2. Liabilities. These accounts would reflect debt of business and would come with credit balance. 3. Capitals. These are the accounts which would represent investment in the business. 4. Incomes. These completely reflect sales and other income which would increase profit. They show credit balance and credited to profit and loss account. 5. Expenses. These accounts deal with expenditure that can reduce profit. They will show debit balance and debited to profit and loss account. Permanent and temporary ledger accounts. The ledger accounts can also be classified as permanent ledger accounts. It has opening balance apart from startup business. These are the accounts which would show closing balances that happens at end of financial year and finally carried forward to next year. Temporary ledger accounts. These does not come up with any opening and closing balance. The accounts get closed at the end of financial year by transferring it to profit and loss accounts.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.